Okay, that thing about Moin. Let's get it out of the way. But first, making sure you understand this. No, hello. Moin. Now to the actual topic, Moin. Sure, it's the label of this channel, and it's a Low Saxon, Low German greeting. But what does it really mean? How is it used? And where does it come from? Lots of people still believe it's derived from the word morgen, which means morning. So greeting someone with moin is believed to be like the shortened English form mornin'. Wrong. You can use moin at any time of day and night, just like saying hi, salut, ciao, hola, privet, and so forth. In Eastern Friesland's Low Saxon dialects, moi means things like pleasant, and this becomes moin or moin before a masculine noun, such as moin morgen for pleasant morning or good morning in those dialects. But in the ancestral Old Saxon, there seems to be no trace of moi. We must bear in mind that the East Frisians originally spoke Frisian, and that moi is an apparent Frisianism. Some people believe that moi and moin had spread from Eastern Friesland to other Low Saxon dialects. While modern West Frisian of the Netherlands does have moi meaning beautiful and moi meaning hello, I can find no trace of a cognate Old Frisian word. So, might moi and moin have come from elsewhere? Well, modern Dutch certainly has moi in the sense of beautiful, nice, and so forth. The oldest equivalent I've discovered is in Old Dutch, mooi, with the meaning neat and beautiful, probably derived from the meaning clean. Its supposed Proto-West Germanic form is maui, meaning washed or clean. So, I'm postulating that West Frisian borrowed moi from Dutch, and the word then spread westward into East Frisian before that language became extinct in Eastern Friesland. The word survived in the wake of the linguistic Saxonization of Eastern Friesland and ended up spreading to Low Saxon dialects that have little or no Frisian influences. In fact, moin is used as far away as in the region of today's German-Danish border. It's even used in the southern Jutish dialects of Danish. Is this far-flung spread a recent one? Apparently, it already spread in earlier times. Middle Saxon already had the word moi in the sense of clean, neat, pretty, and so forth. Bear in mind that Middle Saxon was the language of the medieval Hanseatic Trading League and was used internationally, especially around the Baltic Sea. This is why the greetings moi and moin are used in other languages as well, including languages that belong to the Uralic family, such as Finnish and Estonian. So, here's my proposal in a nutshell. Moin is a Low Saxon greeting that is based on a Dutch word borrowed by way of Frisian and already in earlier times was passed on to other languages. What do you think? Do you have a counter proposal or useful information? Please share them in the comments. Tschüss.